Before the opening bell, U.S. futures on the upside after closing mixed on Friday. This even after the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index that managed to come in at a read of unexpectedly jumping to 81.4 in December. At the same time, U.S. indices closed mixed on Friday, this time with the Dow Jones closing up, while the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 that managed to close in the red. Now, the combination of media, commercial, and professional services, as well as household and personal product sectors, they were all the best performers on the day, while the combination of the automobiles and components, as well as the consumer services and the banking sectors, those happen to be the worst performers on the day. This all as 62% of S&P 500 constituents managed to trade lower or unchanged on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, the first company in the headlines are the combination of Pfizer and BioNTech, the U.S. FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, granting an emergency use authorization for the pharma's COVID-19 vaccine. Separately, Singapore also approving the vaccine. And then there's Tesla making the headlines after announcing that it will replace Apartment Investment, the real estate investment trust in the S&P 500 index, prior to the open on December 21st. Now, taking a look at today's market action, there's no major earnings expected, but on the economic docket, we do have some activity. After the opening bell, we have the release of consumer inflation, and then that will be followed by the release of both the 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 intraday sees a bullish bias above 36.47, and that's in focus. The relative strength index calls for a rebound. Long positions above 36.47 are favored with targets at 36.89 and 37.07 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq intraday happens to see the bias remain bullish. This while the Dow Jones intraday to start off the week happens to see further upside.